Go to Google search. Type DesiEngine. Search results appear. Click on www.desiengine.com.au. This website is an Indian news portal with English, Hindi, and Punjabi news updated daily. To advertise on this website, click Advertise with us on the front page. Scroll down. You can advertise on our website in many multiple ad formats to create your perfect ad. Select your target audience. Start your campaign today. Choose from one of these three options: English campaign, Hindi campaign, and Punjabi campaign. Each campaign will only appear in that language section. Today, I will show you how to advertise your campaign in the English section. First, select where your ad will be displayed. Choose the size of your ad. I select a side banner ad. Next, you have to enter your email address. Then add the URL which the customer will be directed to when they click onto the ad. This URL might point to a website, a YouTube channel, a Twitter account, a Facebook profile, or something else. The URL I am using today is my YouTube channel link. Next, choose the file which you want to display to the customer. Please make sure the file fits the file dimension. Choose your target area postcode. If you wish to target all over Australia, please leave the target area blank. Next, choose when you want to start your campaign. After completing all sections, you must choose which billing model you want when you want to start your campaign. Click on Cost per click. You have 3 options, and you only can choose one. I decided 500 clicks. Then click Pay Now. If the message displayed on the screen shows success, then your ad has been submitted successfully. Now you must choose which payment option you want to select. The choice is PayPal or bank transfer. Follow the instructions. We will activate the advertisement once we obtain the funds. It may take up to 1 business day to process your request. Once activated, you will receive an email that will contain your login credentials. Then you will be able to log into your account and check the status of your ad. As you log in successfully, on the top right corner, it will appear as My Account. Once in your account, click on Ad Manager to check how many views and clicks you have received. You also can download the report for the last 90 days of how well your campaign has been going.